Hey, I'm Chrissy. Welcome to Galaxy Gardens. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about what I did when I harvested my garlic. Once I got it out of the ground, got it cleaned up, I let it cure in my garage, somewhere dark but warm for, I don't know, maybe like a week and a half. And from there I ended up cleaning it up and putting it away for storage, which you'll see at the end. Alright, so might be picking these a little bit too late. We just went on vacation and I was like, I should probably get those before we leave, and then I didn't. And apparently it's been raining here for 2 weeks. I'm gonna clean them up and see what they look like. But they're kind of messed up right now. We shall see. I will let you know. Okay, so I got them all picked, and they look pretty rough after all the rain, but now that I'm cleaning it up, they look fine. I think they'll be good for storage. I need to figure out, I think it's a nutrition issue. So like the roots on all of them are very, very long. Like this is probably one of the shorter ones. But a lot of them didn't really split, and they're pretty small. And I knew back in like February, March, I was like, oh, I should probably give it some nitrogen fertilizer, because I don't even know what's in the raised beds. But I was like, no, let me see what it is. Yeah, I should have done it. Most of them are like this. It's like a little twofer. Let's see how the rest of them come up. But they're cleaning up nicely. I was worried they wouldn't store, but okay. Well, that took a while. I didn't have the good system I did last year. So this is the chestnut. They all ended up being very good, but they're so small. They're so small. They're mini. They're little mini ones. I think what we'll do with those is just chop them and freeze them. About 4 of these ended up splitting, but the rest look okay. They cleaned up pretty nice. Only 2 of these ended up splitting. So overall, not too bad. I do think I'm gonna have to get some new stock for the fall. Raised bed just didn't have enough nutrients, and I didn't listen to myself and fertilize. This is what it looks like about a month in of being set in storage. You can see there's a couple of bolts actually left over from last year that lost some of their color, and it looks awesome. Okay, so as you can see, the garlic came out really good. It has an excellent flavor to it. I've been cooking with it the last few weeks. Today is August 10th. Actually ended up picking all that on the second week of July. Now, I would have done it a couple weeks prior, but I had gone on vacation. And pretty much all through the end of June and the beginning of July, it just rained nonstop here. I'm up in Massachusetts, out in good old New England, and we never know what we're going to get in the summer. But I'm really happy with how they came out. I'm still going to pick up some new stock for next year. But with that, garlic is my favorite thing to grow. It's so easy to grow, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody if you're beginning, or even if you've been growing for a while.